Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus 10T. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter display and brightness, and right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. Also you can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle. Enable or disable adaptive contrast. Adjust wallpapers to dark mode and adjust icons to dark mode. Also you can select auto switch and schedule it between sunset to sunrise or custom. Next you can change brightness level of the display and enable or disable auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid, natural and pro mode. In pro mode you can select between cinematic or brilliant, and also you can change screen color temperature between warm and cool. Then you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, change its intensity, change color display effects between color and black and white, and also you can schedule eye comfort mode. Then you can enable or disable image sharpener, video color enhancer, and bright HDR video mode. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and enable or disable adaptive sleep. Next, we can change screen refresh rate between high and standard, and manage screen display for apps. For example, you can hide notch for certain apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.